Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to rename your Zoom meeting while you're still on concurrent meeting. So here are my Zoom meeting. I just me and myself, and then I just want to demo to you. This is how to rename your Zoom meeting. As you can see here, you have the icon of shield with a green check. It's really small on the top corner left of your screen, and then you just click this, and then you can change or rename your meeting here. My meeting name, and then I can change it as I wish. For example, I will change it into I wish I could do it better, or before. So that's it guys, this very simple tutorial how to rename your Zoom meeting. I know it's difficult for you since it's really small icon on the left top of your screen, on your Mac screen or on your PC screen, etc. Okay, that's it. If you think this content is helpful for you, you can click subscribe on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Bye.